what's up guys? I wanted to get this harness installed down really quick because I've been procrastinating it a lot. I unboxed my harness finally, and I just had to show you guys quick because damn. I got my shirts. Like, look at that. I think this might be one of their first new-ish harnesses because they don't want you to send in your WRX harnesses anymore. Just your bulkhead from your car you're swapping into. Yeah, here's the harness. I opened up the envelope, bunch of stickers, which is sweet. Build number 1964.
Several months later.
Here's where we're at. I took the week off of work. We're gonna get it. Stuff is happening. This is there. Yes. Power steering lines that actually fit are on now. Those just got bolted up and that fucking sucked.
Many unbearable hours later.
8 hours of work later.
9.5.
9.5 hours of work.
It's 8 a.m.
It is 8 a.m.
We got the AOS in there. Nice quality, low quality instructions.
Low quality instructions indeed.
Gonna put some more grounds on here. Oh, that sucks.
All we have left to do realistically is vacuum lines for turbo, for boost control, heater core lines, put the intercooler on, put on the intake. We gotta add coolant, but we can fire it quick to make sure everything's good before we add coolant in case we have to pull something apart. And then we need to address the fuel situation. Mechanically, that's everything.
Oh yeah. So the fuel in there is like, it's like 3.5, 4-year-old 87. Octane?
87.
Probably.
Electrically, it's as they saw like 2 seconds ago. It's nearly done.
Yeah, there's a couple more plugs and
it looks like a car in there. Yeah. That's the big thing.
She's almost freaking done. I am not mentally prepared to hear it or fire it up yet after 3.5, 4 years. Maybe eat, maybe sleep. Come
Probably
back.
Sleep a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, definitely sleep.
Catch a couple winks, come back, hopefully a little more excited. We're not dejected. Realistically, we just got a lot done and we're just tired.
Hell yeah. It looks like a car on the inside and the engine bay too. Okay. That was not a good snap.
Let's go sleep.
Oh, good morning, guys. It's 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Look who just woke up. This fucking guy, dude. So, the wire harness is all... Oh my god, my foot is... Harness is all pretty much done. I gotta get the airbag plug, that's about it. We got the cluster in there for now. There'll be a plug here with a ground on it for your fuel pump. If you can see it, there she be right there. My dog's in the car now. Hi, dog. What are you doing? You can see that white wire there. That is for your fuel pump ground. That white one, the black wire. So that should all be good. Right, Maple? She's all right through the fender. That was kind of buttholes too. Pretty self-explanatory, I guess. That's there. Miles did pretty much all the work in the engine bay last night.
Yes, sir. A little bit more to wrap up today, but we need some 5/8 heater hose because we are out of it and we only have 3/4.
So we're going to O'Reilly's. We worked on it for like a solid, what, 10, 12 hours or so?
Oh, yeah. We started while it was daylight. We finished when the sun rose.
I can hear birds outside.
Yeah. I said that at one point. I was like, I can hear the birds outside right now, Micah.
We did a bunch more work. We got the battery in. I got everything plugged in here. And all situated. Should be ready to plug in the terminal. You ready?
We're good. Yep. I'm just putting on the hot side right now, and then we'll flap on the negative side.
Oh Jesus!
That's a new windshield moment.
Oh shit! It got the dust off for me. At least on one side. The other side's just fucking dicked. Yeah, we'll have to get all that fuel out. That's not. Oh, it's going down a little bit.
If you want to try and turn it over, it'll probably fire.
I don't know. Should we with that shitty gas in there? It's like 3 years old. That's a fat boy pump.
See if it'll crank. Is it in neutral?
I don't know.
Just see if it'll crank. I don't even know if it fires yet. Just see if it'll crank. Just turn it over.
I don't know. I'm nervous.
Like it. Just turn it over. It'll be fine.
fucking nervous to do this. Nah.
Okay, why does it not turn over?
Oh. So we put the starter plug in the wrong spot, so now it's actually in the starter. So it'll probably crank, but we want to put the downpipe on. We probably should do the gas thing. You think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should. We'll just run the tank dry with the pump. Dude, the stream coming out of this bitch.
I believe it. It sounds like fucking Niagara Falls back here.
See it? Fucking look at this shit.
You really zoom this in.
Start it?
Yeah. Let me see.
Yeah, I got it. You gotta prime it so I can.
I know. Oh my god. That's so much shit.
Is your fuel level gonna go going down?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah.
Like visibly?
Uh-huh. Dude, this fuel pump is crazy. Yeah,
That's
you want
right.
to see
We
that?
have like 5 extra fuel pumps right now, so we're totally fine.
That was creepy as fuck. What are you saying, Miles?
This is not what you're supposed to do.
Why?
So we harden the fuel pump. You just gotta pump fuel anyway, dude. Relax.
It literally does that for its entire lifespan.
It's like we're not gonna fucking keep running it when there's nothing coming out and burn it out or anything.
I'm only priming it 100,000 times. It's fine. Not much.
No, stop. Yeah.
I think we're good.
We're like picking up air.
All right. Yeah. I probably shouldn't do that then. Yeah, we're below a quarter, so.
Dump in the fireplace. I mean, dispose.
Dispose of it like a good citizen of a.
It's in a gasoline burning stove.
Yeah.
An external combustion gasoline burning stove.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go top off our external combustion gasoline burning.
What the fuck is that back there? EJ251.
Bye.
Viking funeral.
Viking funeral for the 251.
Goodbye, 3-year-old gasoline. I'm gonna miss you.
Do you have a rag? Please? Could you just hand me a rag? You're an animal. I'll stop this right now.
Can you even kickflip, bro? I can do an ollie really easily.
Good one.
Okay, mate.
Hey, Cap. You're it. Boy, that was fucking dope shit, man.
You're
Oh, alright. Hey, watch this one. You ready? Ready? Ready?
Damn. She thick.
All systems ready. 10, 9, fuck.
Houston, we're ready to rumble. Oh,
I hope
fuck,
so.
it's gonna be loud. I'm nervous, dude.
I'm nervous too, but fuck it. Send it.
Is there anything in the way at all? Good?
It is in neutral,
Yeah.
and we're good. Put her in. Put her in
Houston?
neutral. Start it.
We're ready to rumble.
What, dude? Is there a check engine light on?
I don't know, I didn't look.
Okay.
3, almost 4 years, dude. She's been dead.
Well, hey, go put the rear tires on. We'll get excited after we drive it out of this garage. That's pretty hype.
That was fucking great.
Alright, let's add
Yeah,
some
yeah,
fucking fluids.
Here we go.
Oh, wow. dust blew into my face when that happened.
Yeah.
Ah, gross.
Downshift in a second or no?
Yeah.
Dude, look, the steering wheel, the steering is fucked.
You barely hit boost though. Come on.
No, but it's.
Let's do it. Dude, this is fucking.
Oh my god, chop. Some broke. No, but his feels broken. It feels so fucking broken. That was wild though. That was fucking good. Oh, the steering is fucked up.
Dude, I can't believe what kind of fucking rat's nest we just blew out of this
Oh
thing
my god,
onto
my
us.
fucking eyeballs are gone.
That's 4 years of dust of sitting behind the dash.
God.
Little pull on the gravel. Wow, those headlights are
The
fucking.
steering is whack.
Look at where the headlights went. Dude, come on.
Okay.
Fuck off. Dude, this thing's fucking nasty.
That's all you're getting though. I'm not gonna. Oh Jesus! I don't want to wake the dead at 4 a.m. That is fucking wild. I can't believe it, dude. That's insane.
The clunk when you hit the brakes, dude. Those suspension bushings are gone on the front control
gone.
arms.
Everything's
Dude,
gone.
no, front control arm bushings are gone.
Everything's gone.
Okay, hey, whoa. Okay, back up. Relax.
So your top strut nut should be torqued to 34 foot-pounds. So let me just do that quick. That's probably good.